Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transports, and today with the help of the camera woman I'm going to show you, and also welcome to Model Kit Tuesday, I'm going to show you what the progress on the Bedford ML by Craft. So I've painted the chassis, painted the mudguards black, the cab floor black, seats brown. The engine cowling will have to be painted the colour of the bodywork, which will be blue, something similar to that. Then I've already painted the cab mudguards. I've painted the mudguards and the bumper black, matte black. Then the second coat will be gloss black, because of course this is a civilian spec lorry, and so it'll be gloss, like this one here. Right now, and I'm going to paint the cab all over blue. I'm not going to paint the radiator in a contrasting red, because that would be really very complicated to do in such a small scale. But I'll also pick out the chrome strips with the nib pen and the aluminium paint, and the headlights, of course. I still have to decide what colour to paint the cab interior. I've been looking at photographs. Generally it's the same colour as the bodywork, so it'll be blue. Right, now I want to show you what I'm up to right now, over there. Now I'm painting the flatbed, and this is why I've asked for the help from the camera woman. So I've mixed a shade of brown, as you can see here on the colour palettes, to more or less I based it on the colour of the EFE AC Mercury, and it's what is leather brown, Vallejo leather brown, marron cuero, with a spot of yellow inside. Let's say more or less a 75-25 ratio. So 75% of brown, 25% of yellow. And now I'm using a flat brush, because of course when you're working on flat surfaces, a flat brush is the best. I'm wetting it a little bit, and now we're just going to show you how I've already painted this part here. I've already painted here. I'm just going to show you some of the brushwork. And this way, we just follow the planking. I think I need to wet my brush another wee bit, just to make it. Vallejo paints apply very well, quite wet. And with a very good quality, this is an Amo 10, number 10 brush, you really get a beautiful wood effect. And I find that the best thing of making a model kit is painting it. And that's our cab. Sorry, our flatbed painted. Nice long strokes. And we get a nice wood effect. There we are. Now it's glossy, of course, because it's wet, but it'll be matte at the end. So we'll leave that here to dry. And I'll see what to do now, what's left over of this paint. Generally I do a wee drawing or something, just to not waste it. So we're getting close to the end. And another thing, you'll also see another video where I was working on the wheels. I've finished painting the centers of the front wheels and the spare wheel, and of course the rear wheels are ready, and there's the front axle. So we're getting very close to the end of this job. You'll also see another video where I'm showing how I'm painting the details, or detailing the wheels, the rims, using the nib pen. Cheerio, and see you next time. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell, and share it. And comment. Ciao, ciao.